What if one of the fastest growing AI infrastructure companies is scaling so aggressively that profits are actually moving farther away? Or if the real race in AI is not about chatbots, but about who controls the supercomputers training them? And what if a company that's still up over 200% in a year carries risks that could completely change the investment story? Well, that's Nebius Group. This isn't a hype-driven AI stock. It's an infrastructure play. Massive growth, massive spending, real customers, real risks, and a business model that could either dominate AI or crack under its own weight. By the end of this video, you're going to understand what Nebius actually does, why the market reacted so sharply after its latest earnings, and what could drive the next leg higher, and what could seriously derail the story. Now, if you're new to the channel, hey, what's up? My name is Rick Orford. I've been trading since 1999, and no, I'm not a financial advisor. That is a good thing. I break down the numbers so retail investors like us can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/Ricko to get your 10 stock picks right now. Nebius Group builds the infrastructure that trains, refines, and stress tests AI models before they're used in the real world. This is the back-end environment that helps systems like Amazon's Alexa or Siri become smarter and faster. Even the name tells you about what they're all about. Nebius blends the word nebula, meaning cloud, with Mobius strip, symbolizing an infinite loop of improvement. Based in Amsterdam, Nebius operates massive compute hubs that are packed with high-performance NVIDIA hardware. Companies rent this computing power to train and deploy AI. So instead of buying their computers or their own supercomputers, startups and research teams can now tap into Nebius's cloud and get large-scale AI power on demand. Nebius also has engineering teams spread across Finland, Serbia, Israel, and other regions. Hundreds of specialists focus on building fast, stable data centers and advanced AI tooling that works at scale. I mean, this is heavy infrastructure, not something flashy. It's absolutely critical. So what's been keeping the momentum going for Nebius stock? Well, on December 10th, Nebius hosted its 2025 Robotics and Physical AI Awards and Summit. The event brought together researchers, founders, and investors all focused on advancing physical AI. The summit featured live demos, expert panels, and deep dives into simulation, world models, autonomy, and robotic scaling. Nebius also awarded $1.5 million in cloud compute credits to early-stage teams that are building next-generation robotics and real-world AI systems. And this matters because it reinforces Nebius's role as an infrastructure backbone for physical AI, not just software models. They're embedding themselves early into the ecosystem. Now, I touched on this a little bit in an earlier video, but I wanted to take a look at Nebius's latest financials once again, especially given how the market reacted. So here's a quick recap. In the third quarter of 2025, Nebius reported revenue of $146 million. That was up nearly 355% year over year. In the same quarter last year, revenue was only about $32 million. So that's some explosive growth. But Nebius is still not profitable. This quarter, net loss came in at roughly $120 million compared with about $44 million a year ago. The burn is significant, but the spending is focused on scaling infrastructure, expanding AI capacity, and building long-term growth drivers rather than random costs. To support that expansion, Nebius entered into a 5-year, $3 billion AI infrastructure agreement with Meta. It also set up an at-the-market program allowing it to sell up to 25 million shares when additional capital is needed. For a young AI cloud provider, this combination of rapid revenue growth, heavy investment, and major customers just proves that the company is pushing aggressively to secure long-term infrastructure leadership. And that strategy may worry income-focused investors, but it does set up Nebius for potentially stronger returns if that execution holds. But it's not just about past numbers. We need to understand what could drive future growth. It's something that's recently come up in my Discord, so let's walk through the key catalysts that could move the stock forward. First, the new AI cloud in the UK. I mean, this matters because most companies just can't afford to build their own supercomputer, right? AI development just depends on massive computing power, right? Whether you're training chatbots, generating images, or running your run-of-the-mill scientific simulation. Instead of owning the hardware, companies can rent that power directly from Nebius. Even for companies that could afford their own systems, renting is often more cost-efficient because Nebius, well, they handle the maintenance, they handle the optimization, and they take care of the security. Its data centers are designed already for high performance, fast processing, and sensitive data handling. And early partners showing interest in the UK site include life sciences companies like Basecamp Research and Primamente. And these firms want to use AI to speed up research, improve drug discovery, and analyze complex biological data without sending any sensitive information abroad. Having access to a regional supercomputer with top-tier NVIDIA hardware, well, it's a very big advantage, and it strengthens NVIDIA's position in Europe. Nebius also recently launched a token factory. This is a large-scale system designed to make running AI models cheaper and more practical in real-world applications. Companies can refine open-source models like ChatGPT or DeepSeek and turn them into usable tools such as chatbots or custom search systems. Now, since Nebius relies on high-performance NVIDIA hardware, these tools run with low latency, strong reliability, without customers needing their own supercomputing infrastructure. So the bull case is all well and good, but let's talk about what could go wrong, right? Even with revenue more than quadrupling, Nebius is burning significantly more cash to operate. Operating cash losses doubled year over year. Instead of improving with scale, spending is accelerating faster than revenue is. That's a red flag. Yes, strong revenue growth should eventually stabilize their financial health. But when every new dollar of revenue costs more to generate, the business becomes dependent on constant new funding. But that raises the risk of dilution, financial strain, or worse if capital markets tighten. Nebius is also spending far more on buildings and equipment than it generates from its customers. These are very high fixed costs. They don't disappear if demand slows down, right? If pricing weakens or demand cools, Nebius could be left with very expensive assets producing very weak returns. This capital spending alone is roughly 6 times quarterly revenue. Another risk is dependency. Nebius relies heavily on NVIDIA's hardware across infrastructure, right, including the new UK site. That relationship is working today, but it does create exposure. If NVIDIA stumbles or supply tightens, Nebius will feel the impact immediately. Now, stock-wise, Nebius currently trades around $89. Over the last month, the stock is down about 6%, but zooming out tells a completely different story. Nebius is up about 223% year to date and roughly 230% over the last 52 weeks. So that's a massive run. Now, at this level, though, you might be wondering, is Nebius stock a buy, right? Well, consider that a consensus among 8 analysts rated a moderate buy with an average score of 4.38 out of 5. And that rating has improved over the last 2 months. The highest price target is $211, and it suggests as much as 135% upside from current levels. And I get the excitement. Nebius is expanding rapidly, and they're locking in meaningful partnerships. But the escalating cash burn, heavy infrastructure spending, and dependence on NVIDIA all create some real execution risk. For me, the upside is there, but only if Nebius proves it can scale in a financially sustainable way. But what do you think? Can Nebius turn explosive growth and its bold strategy into a long-term win, or are the risks simply too big to ignore today? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps others find the video, it supports the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss out on any of my next deep dives. Well, that's it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.